is a blizzard warning for the following areas in New Mexico: Harding County, Northeast Highlands, and Union County. Blizzard warning in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 feet. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour, creating near blizzard conditions and snowdrifts in excess of 8 feet. Where? Eastern San Miguel County, far Northeast Highlands, Harding County, Northeast Highlands, and Union County. When? For the blizzard warning, until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. For the winter storm warning, until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. Impacts: travel is highly discouraged. Many roads are currently closed. Avoid traveling if possible. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches that can result in power outages. Additional details: areas are blowing and drifting snow may limit visibility to near zero at times, creating dangerous travel conditions. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. For the latest road conditions, dial 511 or 1-800-432-4269 or visit http://nmroads.com. Persons should consider delaying all travel. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution. Consider taking a winter storm kit along with you, including such items as tire chains, booster cables, flashlight, shovel, blankets, and extra clothing. Also take water, a first aid. This is a blizzard warning for the following areas in New Mexico.